Across the globe, we use currency every day. These pieces of paper and metal represent the lifeblood of our economies. But have you ever stopped to wonder about the fascinating journey that goes into making them? The creation of currency is a delicate dance between history, artistry, and cutting-edge technology. It's a process that demands the utmost precision and security, involving skilled craftsmen, intricate designs, and specialized machinery. From the humble dollar bill to the intricate designs of the euro, each currency tells a story. A story of innovation, cultural heritage, and the constant battle against counterfeiting. Join me as we delve into the captivating world of currency creation, exploring the materials, processes, and the brilliant minds that make it all possible. The United States dollar, a symbol of global economic power, is a marvel of engineering. It's not just a piece of paper, it's a complex blend of art, science, and security. Though we call it paper money, the dollar bill is anything but ordinary paper. It's a sophisticated creation designed to endure and to protect against counterfeiting. It's a meticulously crafted blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, chosen for its durability and unique texture. This combination ensures that the bill can withstand the wear and tear of daily use, lasting much longer than regular paper. This special paper is then imprinted with intricate designs, often featuring iconic American landmarks and historical figures. These designs are not just for aesthetics, they serve multiple purposes, including historical education and national pride. These designs, rich in symbolism, are not merely decorative. They tell a story of the nation's heritage and values, embedding a sense of identity and continuity in every bill. They play a crucial role in security, making counterfeiting incredibly difficult. Advanced features like microprinting, security threads, and watermarks are meticulously integrated into the design. The printing process itself is a feat of precision, involving multiple stages of intaglio printing, a technique that creates raised ink for a distinctive feel. This raised ink is not just a tactile feature, it's a security measure that helps verify the authenticity of the bill. This, combined with special inks that change color depending on the angle of light, adds another layer of security. These color-shifting inks are a marvel of modern chemistry, designed to thwart counterfeiters by making replication extremely challenging. The result is a banknote designed to withstand the test of time and the scrutiny of counterfeiters, a testament to the ingenuity behind its creation. Each dollar bill is a small but powerful piece of technology embodying the intersection of art, history, and science. It's more than just a medium of exchange, it's a symbol of trust and stability in the global economy. In everyday life, we often overlook the complexity and craftsmanship that goes into each dollar bill, from vending machines to cash registers. These bills are a constant presence, facilitating countless transactions and making the wheels of commerce turn smoothly. So the next time you hold a dollar bill, take a moment to appreciate the intricate blend of art, science, and security that makes it more than just paper. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a marvel of modern engineering, all rolled into one. While banknotes dominate large transactions, they are often seen as the primary form of currency for significant purchases and savings. Coins, however, hold their own as the workhorses of smaller denominations. They are indispensable in everyday transactions, from buying a cup of coffee to paying for parking meters. The journey of a coin, from molten metal to our pockets, is a fascinating display of industrial might and meticulous craftsmanship. This process involves several stages, each crucial in transforming raw materials into the shiny coins we use daily. The process begins with carefully measured alloys of metals, often nickel, copper, or zinc, melted down in giant furnaces. These metals are chosen for their durability and resistance to wear and tear, ensuring the coins can withstand years of handling. This molten metal is then poured into molds to create blank discs, the nascent form of our coins. These blanks are meticulously crafted to ensure uniformity in size and weight, which is essential for the next stages of production. These blanks are then subjected to a series of strikes under immense pressure, imprinting them with the intricate designs that define their value and origin. The designs often include national symbols, historical figures, and other significant imagery that reflect the culture and heritage of the issuing country. The edges of many coins are reeded, not just for aesthetics, but also to deter counterfeiting and wear. This reeding process adds an extra layer of security, making it more difficult for counterfeiters to replicate the coins accurately. The final step involves a thorough inspection, ensuring each coin meets the stringent standards of uniformity and quality. This inspection can be done by both machines and human workers, who check for any imperfections or deviations from the standard specifications. Only then are these miniature masterpieces released into circulation, ready to facilitate countless transactions. From vending machines to piggy banks, these coins play a vital role in our daily lives, often going unnoticed but always essential. Whether it's the satisfying clink of a coin dropping into a vending machine or the convenience of having exact change for a parking meter, coins are an integral part of our monetary system. They provide a tangible connection to the value of money, something that digital transactions can't replicate. Coins also hold sentimental value, often being the first form of money that children interact with. The act of saving coins in a piggy bank teaches valuable lessons about saving and the value of money. For some, coins are more than just currency. They are collectibles, pieces of history that tell stories of different eras and cultures. Coin collecting is a hobby that connects people to the past, offering a glimpse into the history and artistry of different periods. The intricate details on each coin, from the engravings to the reeded edges, are a testament to the skill and precision involved in their creation. Each coin is a small work of art, a blend of functionality and beauty that serves a practical purpose while also being a piece of craftsmanship. In every transaction, whether big or small, coins play a crucial role. They are the unsung heroes of our economy, facilitating trade and commerce in ways that are often taken for granted. So the next time you hold a coin, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken to reach your hand. A world of currencies, euros, pounds, and yen. The US dollar may be a global reserve currency, but it shares the stage with a diverse cast of other major currencies. These currencies play crucial roles in the global economy, each bringing its own history, design, and security features to the table. The euro, the British pound, and the Japanese yen each boast their own unique characteristics and security features. These currencies are not just pieces of paper or polymer. They are symbols of national pride and economic stability. The euro, for instance, utilizes a sophisticated combination of cotton fibers and security threads embedded within its banknotes. This intricate design is a testament to the European Union's commitment to security and durability. These threads, visible under ultraviolet light, reveal hidden patterns that are nearly impossible to replicate. The use of UV light is a common method to verify the authenticity of these banknotes, ensuring that they remain secure against counterfeiting. The British pound, steeped in history, incorporates advanced polymer banknotes. These notes are a modern marvel, combining tradition with cutting-edge technology. These plastic notes are not only more durable, but also feature transparent windows and holographic foils, making them highly resistant to counterfeiting. The transparent windows allow for easy verification, while the holographic foils add an extra layer of security. The Japanese yen, known for its minimalist design, relies on intricate watermarks and microprinting, invisible to the naked eye. These features are a blend of simplicity and sophistication, reflecting Japan's unique approach to currency design. These subtle security features, combined with special inks, make the yen a formidable opponent to counterfeiters. The special inks used in the yen's design change color when viewed from different angles, adding another layer of complexity to its security features. In a world where currency exchange is a daily necessity, understanding the unique features of these major currencies can provide valuable insights. Whether you're a traveler, a business person, or simply curious, knowing what makes each currency special can enhance your appreciation for the intricate world of global finance. So next time you handle a euro, a pound, or a yen, take a moment to appreciate the thought and technology that goes into each note. These currencies are more than just money. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the ever-evolving landscape of global economics. The science of security protecting against counterfeiters. The fight against counterfeiting is an ongoing arms race. Currency producers are constantly innovating, incorporating cutting-edge technologies to stay one step ahead of counterfeiters. One such innovation is the use of optically variable inks. These inks, containing microscopic pigments, change color depending on the viewing angle, creating a dynamic effect that is extremely difficult to reproduce. Another security measure is the incorporation of microprinting. This involves printing minuscule text, often hidden within the larger design elements. These tiny letters are nearly impossible to replicate with standard printing techniques. Furthermore, many currencies now feature embedded security strips. These strips, often magnetic or metallic, contain encoded information that can be read by specialized scanners, verifying the authenticity of the banknote.